What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. If you want to learn the basics with practical example of SEO, then you have to watch this video till the end. Because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what search engine optimization is and why it matters. Hey everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. I am FD, and today we are going to talk about something super important: SEO, or search engine optimization. If you are preparing for an interview or plan to grow your own website, this video is a game changer. Stay till the end. Let's understand the concept with practical example. Imagine you have a shop in a busy market, but your shop is hidden in a corner. Would you get many customers? No! But what if your shop is at the entrance? Boom! More customers. That's what SEO does for your website. It makes it more visible. Enough with the examples. Let's discuss how SEO works. A search engine has three main jobs. First one is crawling. Crawling explores the internet and finds new websites. Second, indexing. Indexing stores information in a huge database, like a librarian organizing books. Third and last is ranking. Ranking decides which websites to show at the top, like a judge ranking the best singers in a competition. So, if your website is not well optimized, it will stay hidden in the library forever. Many beginners think we optimize search engine itself, but that's not true. A search engine like Google is built with advanced algorithms and security. You cannot hack, change, or tamper with it. You cannot change Google's ranking rules, but you can optimize your website according to Google's rules. That's how you rank higher. Imagine you own a bakery in Mumbai. You make amazing cakes, but no one knows about you. What can you do? If you optimize your website using SEO techniques, then whenever someone types best cakes in Mumbai, boom, your website appears at the top. More visibility equals more customers equals more business. SEO is like free marketing. It brings customers to you without paying for ads. Now, let's understand why it is so important. SEO is important because more traffic, higher ranking means more visitors. More conversions, more visitors equals more sales. Less spending. Unlike paid ads, SEO traffic is free. As we are trying to understand what SEO is actually, let's break down SEO. A search engine is a software system that helps you find information on the internet. Think of Google, Bing, Yahoo, or DuckDuckGo. You type a question, and it gives you thousands of answers instantly. Now, let's talk about optimization. What does it mean? Optimization means improving something for the best performance. Think of a car. If you don't tune it properly, will it give the best mileage? No! Similarly, we optimize our website so that search engines can rank it higher. Finally, SEO means improving your website so that it appears at the top of search engine results when people search for something related to your business. Example, if you sell designer dresses in Delhi and someone types "buy designer dresses in Delhi" on Google, wouldn't it be amazing if your website showed up first? That's SEO in action. Congratulations! You've just learned the basics of SEO, but this is just the beginning. If you learned something today, hit the like and subscribe button and share with your friends. Let's grow together with SEO. See you in the next video.